Your car is cranking but refuses to start. Don't guess, most drivers get this wrong. You turn the key, the engine cranks, but the car just won't start, right? This is where most people panic and waste money. Let me break it down properly. If your car is cranking, your battery is likely fine. Stop blaming the battery straight away. Now, the real issue is usually one of these three things. Number one, fuel problem. Either your fuel pump isn't working or you have got a little fuel getting into your engine. Number two is spark issue. If your spark plug or ignition cord are faulty, the engine won't ignite the fuel. No spark, no start. Simple. Number three, airflow problem. A blocked air filter or sensor faulty can stop the engine from breathing properly. Here is the key thing. Don't just replace parts blindly. Diagnose first. So tell me, when this happened to you, what was the actual problem? Be honest. What was the real cause when this happened to you? Let's see who actually knows cars. Drop your answer in the comment section. Fuel, spark, or air. Let's see who gets it right.